Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Tech Solutions. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. So I am going to be sharing one of the links right now to my live video because again, it was not working before. I'm gonna give myself a thumbs up. You guys are gonna roast me for that, so I'm gonna undo it. But yeah, let me go ahead and I'm just gonna share this real quick, just so everyone that's part of Tech Solutions can tune on in. And then we're going to be talking about and doing a midweek recap, and talking a little bit more about what I'm looking kind of forward to for tomorrow and this upcoming, or tomorrow and then the days that follow. So, all right, let's go ahead and do this. Let's cover this. Boom, boom, boom. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Let's get it. All right. There we go. Why does it say 0? That's weird. Alright. How do you guys like this song? Ready? Okay, Google. 100% volume. Sorry, headphone users. Alright. Let's go ahead and talk about this week and everything it is that I've traded so far already. FRAC has been one of my main trades this week. DGAS and UGAS and those inverse ETFs has been a huge focus as well. And it's called Get Hype and Overtrade Song. Marco, I 100% agree with you. You can turn it off? Or? Yeah? All right. But wanted to do kind of a recap. First of all, for those that don't follow me on Instagram, that's where I post my profits on what it is that I'm up. So they're the ones that kind of see it first. Today was a very, very slow day. And I'm going to show you guys my profits, what I ended up doing. We had an amazing call out with DGAS. My entry points weren't the best. Was able to cover a little bit over $200 profit. Great. I called out FRAC. Definitely not my best entry. No question about that. I'm up $81. So okay, well this is going up after market hours. Really, I'm not even counting this. What I shared on Instagram was just my $200 profit just because I'm swing trading FRAC. And the reason that I'm swing trading it is because of the potential that I see on this 180-day analysis. I've broken this one down multiple times, but do you see this curling EMA line, right? Showing signs of a potential uptrend. I like that it pushed up today, then it pulled back, and it caught above the $14 price point. I found that to be very attractive. RSI still a lot more to go. Asking myself, is this a good deal? Does it still have a lot more margin to cover? Yes, I believe it does, and that's why I'm investing in it. Does it mean that you have to? No, 100% it does not, but that's pretty much what's assisted me in my success this week. I've traded UGAS pretty often this week as well. That's the inverse of DGAS, but the reason I traded UGAS was because I found it to be, again, a little bit more on the I traded FRAC on Monday, and then yesterday I covered a little bit. I'll just show you guys. I have my profit statements here, and for those that don't just want to see screenshots, but want to see me actually trade and recap and all that stuff, and those aren't familiar with who it is that I am, feel free to browse around my YouTube channel. I make 2 videos almost every single day, and I always talk about my trades, and I always recap on my trades and show my profits. So you guys can go ahead and check it out. 3 days, 3 consistent green days. I kept it, just pretty real, right? Nothing crazy. It has not been huge days or anything like that. So I'm gonna start with Monday. Although that this shows that I'm up $667, for those that follow me on Instagram and for those that watch the video on YouTube, I did not close my FRAC position at $667 profit. I ended up closing my position at it was $447.12. You guys can recap to my video, and again, I'm just remembering it, but you guys can recap to the video that I uploaded on Monday. I showed my profits there, and then yesterday, did I mess up on dates? Yeah, that's supposed to be the 11th. Yeah, so up 12% so far this week. Eric, that's super good. That's more than I am when it comes down to overall percentage growth. Then this comes down to my overall position that I took yesterday, which was Tuesday. I did a recap on this already, and for those that follow me on Instagram, you guys were able to see it. $577.92. Definitely not a bad day. I have not hit my daily target of $1,000 profit per day, but I'm still staying on track, right, to hit my $2,500 a week, hopefully $3,000, but again, just wanting to keep it consistent. And then today, this was my total trades. It showed up $15. It right now showed that I'm up $81 on this, but again, I'm not really counting this. Really what I want to, just what I closed was my DGAS position, $213, and in all honesty, yeah, it looks like DGAS is pushing up after market hours. In all honesty, DGAS, I was planning on swing trading this one, and the reason why is because if we look at it a little bit closer, again, it's still on the very oversold side, right? It is pushing up as of right now. It's the only reason that I was kind of iffy about it was just because of the potential catch that it might bounce at this SMA line during aftermarket hours, and it might sell off, which is good for DGAS, but it might bounce and then recover before I even get the chance to like sell at market open tomorrow. Does that make sense? For those that aren't familiar with trading, ETFs, it's something that happens like the future itself or the commodity itself continues to trade even during after extended hours. And although it might sell off, if it ends up recovering before the market even opens, then you end up not really being able to make much off of it. So I just wanted to recap on my so far this week, a little bit over $1,200, and almost $1,300 if I'm not mistaken, if you want to count my FRAC position, but I wouldn't count that. So the $81 is not something that I'm counting, so I'm just saying $1,200 profit is what I've been able to lock in so far. I'm really excited, and again, just breaking it down a little bit more, I'm really excited. I'm going to keep it very simple. We just recently broke above $14. That's exactly, so for those, the reports came out tomorrow, so won't DGAS go down? Based on previous patterns, yes, but it doesn't mean that it has to. Looking at the overall pattern for where this is at right now on this 30-minute, not even just this, but on the 20-day, 1 hour, 180-day, freaking crap, 180-day 4-hour analysis, we're finally above $14. People continue to ask me, Ricky, I thought you saw swing trade potential on FRAC. Why is it that you're day trading it? Because I was trading this one since Monday. This one was the one that I was up $600, almost $700, and then I locked in a little bit over $400, right? But then I sold it on Monday, right? And then I bought in today, and then I sold it again. What was it? Was it yesterday that I bought and sold it? Let me check. No, yeah, I did trade it. It was so $447.20. So I did trade it yesterday. And why was it that I was continuing to day trade it? Because it still did not receive the overall confirmation above this EMA line. It was still, does that make sense? Like, I saw value in it as a swing trade once it came back within the range of $14 to $16, because that's normally where it consolidates. So keeping it that simple, like keeping it like understanding that that's normally where it starts to trend up and recover, great. I'm going to wait till it breaks above $14. If once I'm gonna swing trade it when it breaks above $14 once I get that confirmation. And it wasn't until today that I got that confirmation. So based on the potential that I see that it has to offer, with the resistance overall at $16, even if I end up having to sell at around 15 to around the SMA indicator, understanding with where I'm at right now, right, and then where I can sell it, the overall percentage potential for return and the overall direction of the pattern, in my eyes, is in my favor as of right now. So that is why I see swing trade potential. I want to keep it that simple. The MACD indicator is in my favor. The RSI is in my favor. It's starting to show signs of an uptrend, and it's starting to, although it did pull back, right, it pushed up, it pulled back, but it held above the EMA line, and that's exactly what I wanted to see. So that is really just it. So proper information and analysis, nice. Yeah. So J Money, okay. Drip. Oh, I know. Drip has continued to descend, and Gush is the one that, real quick follow up. So Gush is the one that's still showing signs of this uptrend pattern. Overall SMA kind of showing signs of a support, and then that $40 resistance. Make sure you take that into consideration. I think we called it as like a 3 to 5% margin of profit, right? Yeah, 5.6%. But is FRAC an ETF? No. Nope, no ETF on FRAC. So, and I've been trading, again, I mainly focus on ETFs, but I've been I've seen a lot of value in FRAC and the uptrend pattern. And don't get me wrong, very quickly, don't get me wrong. My trades this week have been anything but perfect. I've been able to stay green, but every single day I point something out that I could have done better. Today, I was very realistic with myself, and every time that I saw DGAS push up, I was just like, look, I'm just gonna cover profits here, and I walked away, right? Does it mean that like I exited at the most perfect price point? No, but I sold when it was close to the top VWAP indicator, so that was kind of like the resistance, and it made sense. I called it out when I was about to sell it, and of course it continues to shoot up. It almost hit highs of like what was that, like 2250 or something like that. I ended up selling a little bit above that, but kept it very simple today, and that was the most important part. So but yeah, and every single day I try to sit down and pinpoint what I could have done better. So the previous 2 days, I didn't lock in profits quick enough. Although I did have nearly $500 days for each day, especially the first day. The first day I should have been up over $1,000, but I didn't lock in profits when I was up nearly $700. It pulled back. I was down a couple $100, and then it recovered, and then that's when I sold for the $400 profit. Huge area of opportunity. And then the following day, same thing happened. FRAC, I could have locked in profits, sold back, pulled back. I lost I didn't lose anything, but it just pulled back. I was like up $80 or something like that. Then it ended up recovering again. Almost another day where I could have made nearly $1,000 profit. So just identifying, even when you're green, it doesn't mean that you are a perfect trader whatsoever. If you guys did not watch yesterday's video, probably. Kid me not, the video that I uploaded yesterday, let's follow up in like 2 to 3 months. I think that video will have over 100,000 views. I think that has to be one of the best videos that I've uploaded on YouTube because of how much insight it provides. The overall feedback that I've been able to receive on that specific video for the how to consistently grow your account in 4 different stages has to be by far, I think, one of the most transparent and just more structured videos that I've uploaded on YouTube, and I truly hope that it can guide each and every single one of you guys in the right direction. So yeah, I mean that's really just it. We've kept it consistent. We've stayed green. We're up a little bit over $1,200. I have 2 more days left to try to hit my $2,500 goal. I really do believe that FRAC can get me there within the next couple of days. So it's just about following up at this point. So just wanted to do a midweek recap, and I'm going to make the video later today that I'm going to be uploading. So if you guys aren't subscribed, might be something you guys might want to check out. You guys can unsubscribe if you guys want to after. But I am going to be talking about the 3 different ETFs that I see value in as of right now that are actively trending up. So I'm going to keep it very simple breakdowns on those, and I truly hope that those can guide you in the right direction as well. I'm actually going to just made a new video go live. So first of all, for those that are just tuning in for the first time, I have a free group. It's called TechBud Solutions. We have a little bit over 100,000 members. It's a free trading community. It's a free Facebook group. The link is down below. Once you get accepted, we have a group chat. And this is the group chat where I speak to them on a daily basis. That's the TechBud Solutions group chat. We have the main group chat and a bunch of different channels within it and stuff like that. And also, you guys are going to see that the first link down below is going to be for the Learn Plan Profit group. That's the group that gets to watch me trade live every single morning. We have these morning live chats, right? So they get the ability to watch me trade live for about an hour every single morning at market open. We keep it pretty consistent. And if you guys want to invest let's say 30 seconds and just click out that first link and see if that's something that you would like to be a part of. So, but most importantly, if you guys haven't checked it out already, I'm going to go here. Boom. All right. That's me. I am live. All right. And I don't even know why I switched channels. I don't think that's actually a good thing. I don't know if this thing is going to stop going live. But yeah, I just uploaded this new video. It's called Racing Supercars versus Go-Karts at Octane Raceway. If you guys haven't checked it out, and if you guys like racing videos, this might be something that you guys might want to check out. Let's see if it'll play. Yeah, so let's get to the edit part. Let's see. If you guys want to check it out, I don't know how many of you guys like racing and stuff like that, but this would definitely be one of the videos again, this is like the TechBuds lifestyle. We have a little bit over 2,000 subscribers within that specific channel. So feel free to check it out if you guys haven't done so already. And then we can go from there. I know I'm all over the place on this video. I'm actually kind of like in a rush. I have a meeting right now about 4 minutes ago. But yeah, I mean, that is, I keep the sarcasm pretty consistent. LOL. What's going on, Don? So yeah, I mean, that is really just it. So we've kept it consistent, followed up on my trades today, showed you guys my profits, talked about the profits that I made in the past couple of days, my areas of opportunity, my areas or what I've done well as well. And Ricky is a lefty. I'm not a lefty, actually. Oh, I shoot with a left. You're right. But I'm not a lefty. Ricky, I didn't lock in profits. And again, no one goes broke by locking in profits. So feel free to check out, if you guys aren't familiar with who it is that I am, you guys can feel free to check out my story, the My Story video on my main YouTube channel. It's the main one there. And you guys can learn a little bit more about myself and what it is that I do. So I wish you guys a beautiful rest of your Wednesday. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below or direct message me within our free TechBuds Solutions Discord chat. And for all those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit, I'll see you guys tomorrow at Market Open. Like always, guys, continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.